Hi, I'm attorney Lloyd Baker, your powerhouse injury attorney. I want to talk to you a little bit about Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, those kinds of carriers, because we've seen a lot of accidents from these commercial carriers. They all claim, we're an independent contractor. That driver has nothing to do with us. But the thing is, legally, they try to make it look like they don't owe you anything because it was this independent contractor hit you, not one of their team. However, through agency, they have control of that person. They have to be connected to their app. They have to be, to get the higher insurance, and they have to be either going to or from a pickup. We get the meta data on that. Some of the companies have actual trackers that's computer tracked everywhere that person goes. And the time that they picked up the delivery, the time that they dropped it off, the time they picked up the person, the time they dropped them off, when they're waiting in the queue. Anyway, there's all kinds of issues like that. But they're in the defense, they always sit there, hey, we don't owe you any of this money because they were independent contractors. We've found a way to get over that. And that's through the agency idea. So basically, a driver can't transport people for sure without having a certain license. So Uber and Lyft, they have those licenses. These people work under those licenses and they couldn't get them on their own. It's like a taxi company. You can't just open a taxi company and just start hauling people and without having the proper insurance, the proper authorizations, the proper licensure. They are still responsible for these drivers. And another thing we're finding out is they lie about how much coverage there is. They tell you that there's only $1 million coverage on something, and we find out later on a lot of them it's 6 million, 10 million. We can go through each one of those types of businesses and tell you pretty much exactly what coverage they have, and they lie about it because they don't want somebody collecting the full amount. So make sure you hire an attorney that understands these carriers, understands how to get the money. Make sure that you hire us. I'm Lloyd Baker, your powerhouse injury attorney. I'm here for you. If you really want to win, call me.